Hello friends, I am Saksham Dubey and I am back with my new video. We are making these pom-pom balls. Can you see how beautiful they are? Balls are not that difficult. Let's quickly see what things we needed to make pom-pom balls. First of all, we need some colorful wools to make these pom-pom balls. And we need a fork and a scissor to make pom-pom balls. Now we will take a wool and start rolling around the fork like this. Make sure you count the roundings. I am doing 50 rounds. We will cut the wool from here. Make sure to keep some extra wool so that we can tie the knot. We will tie it from the middle of the fork hole. If you want, you can take your mother's help, just like me, how I am taking. We can remove the wool from the fork, just like this. And then immediately make another knot in the middle. With the help of your mama. That we will make few more pom-pom balls. Pom balls are not that difficult. You can also make your own pom balls and use it wherever you want. And do let me. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye friends. I will meet you next time.